Well, here we are with another project in Arizona. Merritt has decided she wants to have an extended patio. So we're having our local concrete guy from Aerosmith Concrete. He's going to fill this whole section with concrete. And then we can have a huge patio that we'll have parties on. People don't have parties anymore? Well, hey, let's get down to it. It's time to start having parties again. And this is all the junk that I took out of the garage. And that's more junk that was laying where the patio is going to be. And we still have all kinds of landscaping to do next year. We don't know what it's going to be yet, but it's going to be something. Here's some of the dirt that they pulled out of the place that's going to be the extended patio. Isn't that exciting? That's Arizona dirt. Wow. And what else have we got? A big old defunct tire. We do have Bigfoot. He has been spotted, as you can see. And yes, we do promote Chewy.com. More junk. Oh, how'd that get there? Well, that was broken in the move, getting it to here. The legs all became busted off. That table was here. It's getting worse every day. It sits out in the sun. The dog crate, we had cats in that when we were traveling in our RV to get here. And what other things are going on here? Oh, we took out the little shed that was the crappy shed, and I put a different little shed here. And this little shed is going to have, well, it does have, but it's going to be hooked up. See, it's got my little blower motor in there, which is going to suck the fumes out of the garage from my laser. And unfortunately, I didn't plan it out really well because it blows the fumes right out here. And they tend to get into our patio space. So I'm going to have to rethink this fume extraction. I put in a huge crop of two plants of, it's called Lunchbox Red Sweet Snacking Peppers. So I'm anxious to see how those come out. And that's all I'm going to do this year for gardening. Just one container, maybe more, depending if I ever get my garage finished. And Monday we're going to start having, oh yeah, there's all kinds of stuff put in here. Monday we're going to have electric replaced on the panel that's got the electric coming to the house. We're going to replace it with a bigger panel so that I can run from that panel a line into the garage and put a sub panel in the garage. So that's it for now. By the way, it's about 82, 83 degrees in the shade today. There's not a whole lot of shade, but anyway. See you next time.